Hey there everybody, so this video is all about setting up your webinar and actually being able to run it. So first of all webinar platforms are fine to use, but for the purpose of this training we'll focus on the biggest one, GoToWebinar. So again, while this training is specific to GoToWebinar, don't be discouraged if you have any other webinar platform. What we are going to teach you here can be easily applied to any other platform. We're using basic functions that every webinar platform has. So just use their training to figure out how to do what we're doing with GoToWebinar so that you can do it with any other platform, even Google Hangouts. Now here, let's look at mine so that you can see the exciting description, the follow-up emails that convert, and how to get people live. Now, here's something that I don't normally do, but I know that plenty of other people do, and it's extremely effective. You can get people to come up live once they've signed up by promising a free bonus or some limited time exclusive training that they can get. So at the end of the webinar, you would just say, hey, so about the free bonus, go here. You send them a link that has some free PDF guide or a couple of free videos. So keep that in mind, okay? So let me close this here, open this up. So this is the webinar. You just click schedule a webinar. This is the same in all platforms. You have a place to write the title, the description, when it happens, and stuff like that. Now I'm going to actually show you what I do step by step on one of my past webinars. So let's see this one here. Let me click on it. So you can see the title is really important. This starting now bit is has been added by me 15 minutes before the webinar started so that people can know it's starting now. So at the point of setting it up, you don't need to put this. When you set it up, it should say bonus webinar so people know it's a webinar when they get the email, and it's a bonus one, so it's free. You need to do some personalization here, so I'm just writing Shop Express because this is to my Shop Express users. But if you have their names and your webinar platform allows name tags, you can put the name tag here, so it would say Steve, generate 10,000 in just weeks, or John, generate 10,000 in just weeks, and then the main benefit, which is you can make a lot of money in a short amount of time. The description, again, I'm saying it's important, it's an exclusive free webinar, what they learn, and some social proof. So for instance, my coaching students, they're paying 5,000 for the same training and it's helping them generate 1,000 per month. You then link to your webinar registration page, which we'll cover in the next video. And then you write about what else you're going to show them. This is important here. You mention the day, the date, and the time so that people know when to show up. And then you're telling them it's going to be over the shoulder, and you're telling them how you're going to help them. You're going to show them how you can replicate my success. This is what I'm seeing here. So again, mention it's free, it's guaranteed to change your life, and try to make it exciting. And then send follow-up emails 1 hour, 4 hours, and 1 day before the webinar. I don't actually change the structure of the email, so I just leave it as, you know, this part, which is basically what they get when they register too. I just add here, reminder, this webinar starts tomorrow, make sure you don't miss it. Reminder, it starts in 4 hours, it starts in 1 hour, and so on. That's all you need to get started. And once you set up this webinar inside your platform, and you get the link here, let me show you. Share it, copy registration link. It's copied, you have the link. Once you have the link, you can go on and set up the page, and we'll do that together in the next video.